Hello, tonight I'm going to be reviewing this 12 volt battery jumper. A couple different cool things about it. It comes with a light on the side, so all you have to do to start that is hold down the power button for 3 seconds. It's got a couple different settings to it. You have just the regular light, the SOS, so if you're in trouble, you can lay this down on the street behind your vehicle so people can see it if you need help. That's what you're supposed to do with an SOS, or point it in the direction of any safety vehicles if you need help. And also a strobe setting, so you can use that. You can see here, it's got a battery percentage on it. So when it's ready to use and jump, all you have to do is hold on the jump button, and then it's ready. And if you don't jump it, it'll just shut off automatically on its own. Couple different things about it also. It comes with a couple different slots on this side, so it has a USB port and a charger port, so you can plug in and charge your computer with it. On this side here is where you plug in your jumpers. The cool thing about this also is it's got a short circuit prevention, a reverse circuit prevention, so if you hook up your battery backwards, you don't have to worry about it hurting or damaging anything. I'm gonna go ahead and hook this up to the computer so I can show you guys how it charges it. Now you can see here I have this laptop. You can see it's a USB-C connection, so we're gonna go ahead and plug it in on one end here, and then plug it in on the other on the laptop. So you heard it beep. You can see it's charging here. This thing charges really fast. I had it plugged in for maybe 10-15 minutes already, and it's up to almost 100%. It wasn't low already as it is, but it did charge it very fast. And you don't have to worry about this because this holds a lot of juice for a computer. So I'm going to take you outside and show you how we jump a vehicle. We're going to jump this car. It hasn't been starting very good, so I know sitting during the day and then overnight last night, it's not going to start. So we're just going to hook it up. So, red on red, black on black. It's ready to jump. Come with me. Take me in. Now that it's connected, I have juice already. You can hear it working. Really simple, really easy product. Definitely get you out of a bind if you're in trouble on the side of the road, or even in a parking lot or something if you forget your lights on. This thing is a lifesaver. You can charge your phone, your laptop, pretty much anything that you can plug into. It comes also with this 12 volt cigarette lighter plug-in, so you can hook up say a vacuum cleaner or your phone charger. If you have a cigarette lighter, you just plug it right into there. Plugs into this one side here, you can see like that, and just hit power, plug it in, and it charges. So it's basically a all-in-one kind of deal. It's a really great product. I like it, and you'll love it.